that we have already completed the poem. Yes. What poem it is? Poem Who is In. So today's section is for second standard students and the name of the poem is Who is In. So children, you all can open page number 21 in your textbook. What is the page number? Page number 21 in your textbooks. So here, who is in? The name of the poem is Who is In. The doors shut fast and everybody's out, but people don't know what they are talking about. Say the fly on the wall and the flame on the coals, and the dogs on his rug and the mice in their holes, and the kittens curled up and the spiders that spin. What's everyone out while everyone's in? So this was the today's poem that we have completed this. I have read for you people. Children, here there is only one question in this poem. There are no more questions. Only one question in this poem. So that too I will solve on the board only. I will not send the video of this lesson. So here you can see that is first question, main one. Let's answer. Let's answer. First one. Apart from the people, apart from the people who all live in that house, who all live in that house. So here the answer. So what is the question? Apart apart from the people who all lived in that house. People, jana bittu mattali yaryariddru. So here, apart from the people, apart from the people, a dog, mice, spider, and then kitten, and then a fly, and a fly lived in that house. Lived in that house. Next. Now down you can see there in page number 22. Page number 22. There you can see children. Look at the pictures. Can you name the different kinds of homes people live in? You may choose the words from the box. Yes, what they have given, choose the words from the box. Make it as second name. Look at the pictures. The question is, you have read the full question in your notebook. Look at the pictures. The pictures. Can you name the different kinds of different kinds of homes, of homes people live in. People live in. Live in. You may choose the words. You may choose the words from the box. From the box. So here. So children, here I will show you the images. You can see here. Yeah. Now you can see here. This is the image of tent. And this is the image of flats. Means this is the big apartment. Apartment where we can have a single rooms for all. And here this is the bungalow, a very big house. And then here this is the castle. And here this is the caravan. And here this is the cottage and igloo. And then boat, houseboat. And then a hut. So these are the images, children. So now what we have to do? We have to draw these images in your notebook. Or else if you feel it is very tough for you, then you can take the Xerox. You can take the Xerox of this picture and see that you cut that Xerox very correctly in a square shape. Xerox ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅತಿ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ತೆಗೆದು ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಸರು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಟೆಂಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೇ. ವೆರಿ ನೀಟ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಕಟ್. ಹಾಚ್ ಪಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಗದ್ದಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೆಂಗೆಂಗೂ ಕಟ್ಟಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. And see that you stick it very neatly. How many are there? 9 are there. In one page, all 9 will fit. First 3, second 3 and last 3. But you have to leave one line to write the name of the image. After one sticking the image, one image stick madmele one line bittu matte talagade stick ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Very neatly you have to stick the images and write the names of the images. So it's not that tough, children. It's very easy. And whose parents' time drawing is good, then you can take the help of your parents also. There is no problem. Like this way you can have a tent. This is the tent house. Yes, this is the tent house, children. Here you can have the tent house. This is called the tent house. You can make a door here. And then you can draw the line down. Second is what here? Bungalow. This is the bungalow. You can draw anyhow you want. You can take the picture of it and then you can draw it. So here many buildings are there. Here one more line. Yes, this is the next, and here there is the door open to go inside the bungalow. Here one line. Then next, a big house, flat this is. A big house, yes, and there you can draw the images. Anyhow you want, you all can set the design of your bungalow. like this way. You can draw the bungalow, and down there will be a castle, one image, and then boathouse, then this. 3. Whatever you know to draw, you draw, or else it's better if you stick the Xerox. So this is the first image. This image is called as what? Tent. Tent. So this is called as what? Tent. And this picture is called as what? Flat. What we call for that? Flat. And the last picture here, this is called as what? Bungalow. What we call? Bungalow. We call it as bungalow. The next picture is here, Crystal. And the next is Caravan. The next, Cottage. And the last is Igloo. Then Houseboat. In boat also we can find the house. And then the last is hut. So here in the small boxes you can draw the pictures, or you can stick the pictures here, and down you have to write the names of the pictures. You have to write the names of the pictures. ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿರಂದ್ರೆ ನೀಟಾಗೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವರ್ಕು ಇರಬೇಕು. ಹಾಚ್ ಪಾಚ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. How much I know to draw? I have drawn 1 or 2 and I have explained you. But next, these all you have to stick them in the correct order, like this only in one page. Full one page you can stick this, and then you can write the names of the flats. If you want color Xerox, you can take the color Xerox. If you want black and white, you can bring black and white. If you want to draw with the help of your parents, that choice is also there. But each and everything should be sent by the image. So next. Now coming to the next. Preposition words. This is already completed, children. I will rub this full board now. So here next, third main, this is prepositions. Prepositions already I have explained you people. Position words, what they call for this? Position word. Yes. Position word means what? Words means what? What are we doing at the right time or before? That tells us about the preposition. Preposition tells us about that. Look at each picture, then read the sentences below. Look at each picture and read the sentences below. Fill in the correct position. Fill in the correct position. Word in the blank. In the blank. Blank. Choose the words from the box. Choose the words from the box. So here, see children, here are the box, and in this box we are going to write the words of preposition. The first one is near, under, and then above. The next is in, over, on. So here, this is what near, under, above, in, over, on, in front of. This is what, these are the words, we call these words as prepositions. What we call? Prepositions. We call these words as prepositions. Yes. So now, with the help of these words only, we have to write the sentences. What we have to write? Sentences. The food is dash the table. The food is dash the table. First one, the food is dash the table. The table. Second one, the cat is dash the chair. The cat is dash the chair. The chair. Third, the bird is dash the tree. The bird is dash the tree. Fourth, he jumped dash the wall. He jumped dash the wall. Fifth, the sheep are playing dash their pen. The sheep are playing dash the pen. Sixth one, the horse is dash the cart. The horse is dash the cart. Sun. The sun is dash the clouds. The sun is dash the clouds. Next, April. The butterfly is flying dash the flower. The is flying dash the flower. The flowers. Yes, flowers. 9. The man is dash the car. The man is dash the car. So here children, now you can see here the pictures are given. Yes children, yes. So first you can see the sandwich is kept on the plate. Yes or no? The plate is there. On that plate only the bread slices are kept. And where is the cat here? The cat is under the chair. Where is the cat, children? The cat is under the chair. And where is the bird sitting? The bird is sitting on the tree. Where is the bird sitting? The bird is sitting on the tree. So here the boy, what the boy is doing? The boy is jumping over the wall. What is doing? He is jumping over the wall. Then where are the ships? The ships are playing in their pen. Pen, this their home is called as what? Pen. And here the horse is in front of the cart. See, this is the cart and in front of the cart andre adre edurgade. In front andre enu? Adre edurgade. The cart is in front of the horse. Now next, here the sun is above the clouds. Above andre adu modada melada. The sun is above the clouds. Next, the butterfly is flying in the butterfly is flying over the flowers. Next, the last is the man is standing. The man, you can see the man is standing near the car. Here there is a car and near the car only the man is standing. The man is standing near the car. So these are the explanation. I showed you the pictures, children, so that you can understand what to write. You have to see the pictures and write the blank. So here the food is dash the table. The food, where the food is kept? The food is dash the plate. The plate is there. On that plate only the food is kept. So here what we have to write here? On. What we have to write first one? On. The food is on the table. Next, the cat is dash the chair. Where the cat is sitting? Under the chair. The cat is sitting under the chair. The bird is dash the tree. The bird is on the tree. On the tree. He jumped dash the wall. He jumped over the wall. The sheep are playing dash the pen. Are playing in what the place is given to him, then in that place only they are playing in the pen. The next, the horse is dash the cart. The horse is in front of the cart. Front of the cart. The sun is dash the clouds. The sun is above the clouds. The butterfly is flying the flowers. The butterfly is flying over the flowers. Over the flowers. The man is dash the car. The man is near the car. Yes or no? So this was the sentences. If you all want, you can take the Xerox and stick them, and then down you have to write the sentence. Xerox ಮಾಡೋದಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Xerox ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿನೇ ಅದು ಮೊದಲು ಎರಡು ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಹಚ್ಚಿರಿ, ಅದರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಆ ಎರಡು ಪಿಕ್ಚರಿನ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಎರಡು ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಹಚ್ಚಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಎರಡು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. Like this way you have to stick and write it correctly. The next, coming to the next here is that is spell and write. So here you can see, once we read this sentence, the food is on the table. Where is the food? The food is on the table. The cat is under the chair. Where is the cat? The cat is under the chair. The bird is on the tree. Where is the bird sitting? The bird is sitting on the tree. He jumped over the wall. Where did he jump? How did he jump? He jumped over the wall. The sheep are playing in the pen. Where the sheep are playing? The sheep are playing in the pen. The next. The horse is in front of the cart. Where is the horse? The horse is in front of the cart. The sun is above the clouds. Where is the sun, children? The sun is above the clouds. The butterfly is flying over the flowers. The butterfly is flying over the flowers. The man is near the car. Where is the man standing? The man is standing near the car. So the sentence is, the man is near the car. Okay, children. So this we learned about the prepositions. Now coming back to the next part, that is spell and write. So here spell and write. This is fourth thing. Spell and write. So here you can see KBFBL. KBFBL. Down they have given one more sentence. First we'll join this. Yes. So here joining word is I and D. So here first line, and here second one, here third, and here fourth. Coming to the next, that is G M B E H, and then only H. Here M. So first one, second one, and last. So here I and D same, but the words are changed. Yes. Now we will fill this blank by using all the letters given in the list. So here K I N D, kind. K I N D, kind. B I N D. Then F I N D. Then B L I N D. Then G R I N D. M I N D. B E H I N D. Then H I N D. So these are the words that we have joined. K-I-N-D, kind. B-I-N-D, bind. F-I-N-D, find. B-L-I-N-D, blind. G-R-I-N-D, grind. M-I-N-D, mind. B-E-H-I-N-D, behind. H-I-N-D, hide. So here these are words we have completed today. With this we have completed the topic of who is in poem. Who is in poem? ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಹೇಳಿಕತ್ತೀನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ poem ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನ್ಯೂ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಒಂದೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಇದೇ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿನಿ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕಳ್ಸಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಸಿ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಆಲ್ ದ notes given to you. Complete the notes, write neatly and then send me the video, send me the photocopy of your notes. Thank you children. Have a good day.